Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this channel, welcome back, and also welcome to the new subscribers. So I came home from school today. Sorry I missed this one. It was a little bit too early for me. It was when the market opened in Belgium. So but I came home and I saw this beautiful indifference, and I looked at my liquidator indicator, who was telling me a hell of a story here. And yeah, don't mind the ML box here. It's still learning, uh, sketching signals. So it can be back tested afterwards. It's all about testing, guys. Testing what is possible. I set my this is actually a kind of ADR setting. You can do it professionally also normally, but for now, I use my own system. I ensure my profits. I put it at 2% only behind it. Okay, it's clear what can happen here, but never be too sure about things. Now we're here. So we're actually getting a short a little bit. See here, the red zone. So it will tell me it will rise again a little bit. So it actually told me before I should have closed here, but then I should have taken it here for opening. But that's the old version. I could lower this to take even more, but I want to give it some room because I really do think it will continue. I will take a look here. 1.6 is far away. This one is far away also. But we have to keep in mind, guys, I saw a post today. I will not talk about um, politics anymore because I really am not interested in politics, but economics is more my style. So we'll keep the channel only for trading. But the post was about America and the Federal Reserve. I told you guys they are going to plan a big buy. So this could actually blow up in my face right now because I just read it, and I don't know when it's going to happen, when they're going to sign it, or maybe not sign it, because I don't know when or how. I'm not so much a follower of politics, so I actually only base myself on my liquidator indicator and what I see here in the Quant app. So I open the position. See, 17:15. For you it's maybe another time right now, but for me it's almost nighttime. So I'm patiently waiting for it to drop further, because we still have some juicy blocks that I want to take out. I put my settings on 75 for sure, and this one is for now on 50%. This one is -10. I told you guys how to put the settings. If you choose to set your TP as a -10, it will actually go into your profit zone. If you set it at 10, it would be here at the loss. That's a handy trick if you want to ensure your profits. If you're like me and happy with a few bucks, then it's the way to go. If you want more, which could be dangerous if it reverts it all of a sudden, I will be sure I will have maybe a dollar or two here. uh, no, I have to recalculate a little bit. So this is maybe a dollar and a half I will have here, but I'm happy with every dollar I get. As I told you guys, gradually scale up. So if I make this larger, then the 1% will be not 200, but if this becomes double, 1,000, and it's not 200, but then the 1% becomes a 2% at $400, like you see. This is a 2%. It started at 400 when it's a short, so when it goes down with it. It's only logical. But what I'm trying to say, guys, if you scale up bit by bit, you'll get there. But if you say, for instance, oh no, I want to, I am too much sure, I want to risk it all. One, my bots and my risk settings won't let that happen anyway. That's why it's very important to try and protect yourself with these risk settings. You also have a video about this, guys. But everybody trades a different style, so yeah. Now it's only wishing and hoping it will not revert on me. And like I'm thinking, when I see the MACD a little bit and the liquidator indicator here, it should go down. And if it will take the profit here, then I probably will retry with another 2%, unless I see it really catches like a train and go up. So as you can see, guys, this is what I was talking about, but it's only beginning of a lower low in the volatility index, and most people will say, oh, you're reading this wrong, that's not how to look at it for lower lows. Everybody's got his own system. Don't let anybody tell you what to do or what not to do. um, Everybody trades his own system. Everybody has his own kind of theory or his own indicators. Indeed, you could use um, another indicator for higher highs and lower lows, but I use my thing, and I think like the way I think, guys. Like I said, I will not give price to anything. So I actually see some fell out of the boat here. 2%. This one just fell out. That's why this one is lowering. But still we have some juicy blocks inside. But as you can see, for now we could maybe hit a reversal with the old ML. He's trying to tell us it could happen. We have here a breakpoint of 100%. It's not that the ML of the before isn't working, but it's a little bit off. Let us tell that for sure. The new ML learning will be so much bigger. It will be showing me more and more profits. And there we go again, guys. It's going down, down, down. I only hope. I'm happy with 50%. Even if it won't catch the, I will not add for the moment. I'm thinking 270. I could add, but it will only reset my things. That's never going to happen with me. 100%. I'm not crazy. If I would add, I would only add a 2%. I'm really picking my brain about this right now. But if I count 215, so we have a million here, around a million, then 2 million, then you get a boost. So after 2 million and 10 minutes, I think we could try. We could try. So on lick amounts, so on a long lick, so add 2% short uh, when the 2 million long licks hit. So I am going to try it, guys. 2% short. Sometimes you just have to take a chance in life. I'm at the new all-time high for the moment. If you saw the previous video, then you saw we ended up at a 526, I think, around that. So it could only go up, up, up. I hope so. But if this one hits, then I'll have to reset all this, because a new order makes this go away. This PNL will fall down more, then it will be taken around here, I think. I'm not a magician. I cannot predict whether the price will rise or fall. I cannot predict where this will end up when I add. The only thing I know is the liquidation price will be farther away from the PNL at a pointer here, so it will give me a little bit more room, and I will reset the risk settings then at 50, but I'll have to wait a little bit to be sure it's going in the right direction. And so far so good. And this is actually funny when I see this. The price is almost the same as percentage. I also saw this happening when you place an order of $2,000 in active position then. So yeah, I hope I can show you some action. So now you saw me trading again on a regular basis as before, adding when I think. I'm telling you guys, I think, because I'm not a financial advisor, I will only tell you guys what I'm thinking. So I could be wrong, and what I saw could be still going on. So there we go. We'll see this one disappear then, and when it hits, yep, it's good. First little rise before you saw it move. So now it's here. Before it was here. So I said it would be here. So I'm not entirely right, but not entirely wrong also. So now we can say we put the risk settings at 50%. I confirm, because if I keep it at the same level, it will bite me in my tushy. So now you can see the lowering of this also. It was 33%, but because you add it, it becomes a little bit less. So I have to put it on 50 minus 5 for now, because it's only $1 now, $2. So Control C. It's only to be sure, guys, because the creator did a lot of work on this app and making it better and more responsive. So actually this is not needed, but this is for me when I'm away from keyboard, because I'm working for school. I still have to make a web page about myself, what I do in life, and yeah, I really have to think about that, because with my autism I am not a very social guy. This is as social as I can get. It's just, yeah, how can you say, not much people can be around me because they think I am a know-it-all. Actually, I don't know it all. That's the truth. I think I know it all, but if I know it all, I would have known that my wife would die in my lifetime. So no, I don't know it all. I'm not a financial advisor. I can only guide you guys to making some good decisions, hoping that my own decisions are good. I can only explain to you guys what I think I see all this time, like patterns and everything. Like I said, I have to reset all the lines for my zones, but I am not going to do that. I have been thinking about this, and I'm not going to do that because it has no use. Because it has a little use if you're trading uh, supply demand, but you can also use it then for a breakout. Because at a certain point when it reaches and it breaks out a little bit, but like we saw with let's put it here for now, for a moment. Yeah. So if it breaks out one, two, and the third time mostly with Bitcoin, it breaks out. But this one, I'll throw it. No, I don't throw it in the trash. I could still use it for later when I don't set my markers. When I just place this one in instead, so I can follow from a distance when I'm coding on my laptop. So then I can see from distance what is happening, and I can follow a little bit, seeing if I'm maybe right, maybe wrong. Mostly, I do have to say, before when I was hand trading, I was always wrong. Not always, but 75%. Now I learned how the Quant App works, and all thanks to these, which are very essential, guys. So moondev.com Quant App, if you want to download it. Step one: watch the training. Not optional, guys. Learn exactly how to use every feature of Quant App. Watch the complete bootcamp series to understand risk management, session locking, and all the powerful tools at your disposal. If you skip this, I promise you, you'll lose anyway. It's been hard to get up to this point. I doubled my wallet in 2 weeks. Now we're 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks further into February right now, and still I'm hovering at the same amount. I am slightly going up, but I'm doing this more carefully right now than before. Step two: join the community. I did it 4 years ago. It helped me a lot. It launched me into making the backtesting system. Oh, yep, the Nexus BT system. I will put everything in descriptions below. The Quant App, the backtesting system. I made a liquidator indicator so I can easily follow the system. That oh, there is something going on. I think my VPN. No, it's not my VPN. Just reload it. See when it will come back. But for now, for me, it works. I think I have to restart it maybe. It's a prototype, guys. Most important thing is we're back online, and as you see, sometimes I still have a problem with the mem map because this is the candle actually right now. There is nobody who could even give me an answer to this for the moment. We're all a little bit searching for it. Oh, that's not good either. Not good either. Okay, then I'll have to just redo this. Voila. Research mode. So it keep researching for those best params later. So now I can only sit tight, enjoy the ride. Even though the Federal Reserve would make the decision of billions of buying Bitcoin, So I think that blew up. I can only guess, guys, because I am not a financial advisor. I don't follow this. It's not like I'm behind my computer and see, oh, who's saying this, who's saying this. No, I am making my own choices by what I created, what the creator made. He is getting this data from the node, from Hyperliquid itself, and I have some more data from 5, 6 other exchanges, and I rely on my own system. I rely on my own, uh, yeah, strategy, what I think could be going. So if it goes down a little bit more like this candle, a little bit more, then I will reset it to this candle. See, that's the way I think, guys. Try to ensure your profits. I know it's already a nice profit, so I could cash it in, because the all-time high. It's always nice to see your wallet growing to an new all-time high. The other bot is slightly doing out of, made a few losses. Oh, it's an opening again. Okay, it's rising again. Okay, it's a short. So all things are going short. So this makes me believe that this will also be a good thing again with this one. Because if my bot is saying going short, then probably BTC will go short as well, because most coins are linked to either BTC or ETH. And for XRP, that's a something different. I read they will not invest in BTC anymore. I hope, for my own sake, that they will not invest in this coin, but in another coin that I have, and that it will explode like Bitcoin did before. But that's my secret sauce, boys. Everybody has to make his own choices in life. I have to do too. I made some wrong choices in my life. I have to pay for it. I had to pay for it, sorry. And now I can only hope with all of this I can restart my life. Just gonna look. It's a heartfelt words from the creator. Even I'm going through a hard time. I don't want to burden you with this, guys. But the fact that I keep showing up shows my dedication. And if you're watching this, those are heartfelt words. I'm happy to oblige with all of you guys. We all have to keep fighting for what we want. Our goals are set in life, and yeah, mine is just I want to re enjoy life like I did before. So that's my only goal right now, trying to make it happen again. So keep in mind, guys, the Hyperliquid data layer. This is the other moondev.docs slash docs. Sorry. Here you can find everything I had to use for creating my Quant app. Yeah, Liquidator indicator. Sorry. Um, I use mostly his data and a bit of my own data, and the addition of all the other exchanges. So if you see the descriptions links in below, please visit these two sites, and then you'll be able to join like I did. Because if you got questions, want to discuss strategy ideas with Moon, Dev, and other traders like me, Artail, Big M, Bliss, we have a bunch of good people in there. Don't be afraid to ask us anything. We don't bite. Just say hello, and we will respond when we have the time, because we're all very, very busy. We're stepping on the gas, we're grinding every day and trying to set our own goals. The Discord is where we can help each other succeed. Don't trade alone. I tell you guys, I've been stuck a few times, only by the community. They pulled me through every single time when I was struggling. Um, so I made it. I had 2 times that I were really, or 3 times I really was thinking of quitting. Oh, this is too hard. Okay, coding in general is hard, but if you keep focused, if you keep researching, backtesting, implementing, only by testing it, doubting your system, you will finally get there. So that's why I also shared the video about my journey, which is very important to me also. I'll keep noting everything I do from now on, because I am now building an ROI calculator, because I saw lots of people are interested in this. What is your ROI? What is Yeah, you have to see the other video about ROI calculations, because yeah, if you're trading every time with the same amount, every time with the same leverage, and in this app this is possible. If I choose it to be taking 1% each time or 2% each time at 40x, then we could say we could just use a simple calculation, but that's not the fact. I'll have to find a way. Before I could just go down here with the trade history, and there was a button where I could say, I want my history, but now you have to code it to get your history, or it's somewhere else hidden. I don't know where. I'm going to look with you guys right now, but I don't think I'm going to find it here. Maybe on the portfolio, but that's not something I'm going to share. So those are the open orders, that's good. So as you can see, for now, I'm in a safe spot. We'll keep going. We'll keep lowering this one. Like I said, the candle, yeah, of course, it has to keep sticking. So a little bit lower, but it doesn't matter actually. But what matters is where are we now? 33%. It could revert, so it's still gonna lower it just until I said the high of this candle. The next step will be the height of this candle, and when it's going down, hopefully for me not too fast, because I set it on 50%, sorry. um, hmm, where are we? So this is really hitting it like a train. 65. Okay, I think I do want to reset it a little bit. I'm gonna put it at 60% for now. I confirm. See, that's why, guys, you're better behind your desk than rather 64 away from it when you're really trading, or yeah, trying things like this. 64,759. Oh, I almost said it right. 659, wow, 653. It's almost the same. So as you can see, we're still going down, down, down. Some positions are being added, or some positions are being enlarged, because we're still going down. So this will actually be rising again. Let's look at the, see, it's getting a little bit bigger. These are getting smaller again, but still some very juicy, juicy blocks. Licky, licky, bo licky, licky. I'm always rooting for my own team, guys. I think that's normal. I think you do the same. If I would be at the other end, you would just say, well, I don't care. Actually, I do care about everybody, but yeah, now I have to think a little bit of myself to get better again at everything. Give me some more confidence again. But that's is a nice way to show you guys. Okay, I didn't show you from the beginning, but still we're already a half an hour away in the video, and you can see what and how I'm using the Quant App, setting my risk settings. Still, I think this should be done here. Here also, a minus 10, for example. This will be a minus 15 right now. So if I set minus 15, but if you don't reset it after, so after a trade, it should reset it at the normal settings, but this is also a hard way to code it. So I think it's rather impossible. That's why I do it like this. See, this could be the end of my trade if it reverts, but I will be happy. I am at an all new time high then, so for me, I am happy as hell. So yeah, I hope maybe in a 5 more minutes it will reach the end, so I can record it for you guys. I hope it was an interesting video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Seeing me at work, see, I come from school. I don't give up. I am a workhorse. It's like I told the guys in school, like I told you in the beginning, I have to make a presentation of myself on a web page. And I actually said, they asked me, oh, how many hobbies do you have? I said I made 6 pages, one for my dog, one for my free time, one for work. They say, what, work? Yeah, for me, work is a hobby. If you don't enjoy it, then don't do it. So this is something I enjoy, even though sometimes I get beat up. But yeah, if you don't enjoy it, then yeah, keep your hands off. But I really enjoy this. I really, really do. It's I'm actually testing an app. I made one for myself, a trading bot. I had to test it also, find the bugs, and this is something I see for myself where I'm very good at, just to find these bugs, just as tiny as they are. Like I told you guys, always doubt your own system. That's the only way how you can find these bugs and really bug them out. So now I really, really hope it won't touch that line, so I can show you guys a nicer profit than this one. But this train is, yeah, a little bit gapping here. 0.3, 0.5. Let's see what my thingy says here. 0.3, 0.5. It's rather good, but this one here, see, 0.61, 0.49. This is a gap. Gaps. These are closer to each other. Here you have a gap again, a gap again. So you can see the gaps in between, but remember guys, it always can revert somehow. Like I said, they are trying to fill the Federal Reserve with billions of bitcoins, so it could be possible it's going to revert once the bill is signed, and then I'm thinking this will happen, and I am very happy. I have a nice profit anyway, so for me this will end the video then. Well, this is a nice profit, a new all-time high. Only one trade for me today, because I still have to work some other things out. Also, someone asked me for a creation of a new app, nothing with trading. It's some measurement app, so it's something maybe, yeah, he could make me not famous, but he could lead me into a world of developing apps for other people maybe, because it got me interested, like this app, or my trading bot, to create, to actually see something working. It could be that it could go down further, but I really don't care. I had my profit of the day. I should have been here when this was happening. Then this would be larger. Then this would be larger as well. Although I still have a chance, I should try maybe only 1%. No, not buy, sell, verify. Yep. I'm going to enter anyway, because I do believe it will continue. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, we're a little bit stuck here. It's not my VPN, it's still rolling. Just have to refresh. It's only a few bucks that I can win right now. $2, maybe three. Just have to see my risk settings. 60, 45. So 64, 400. We're all the way down here. So, yep. And like I told you guys, don't let yourself get liquidated, because if you get liquidated, it will cost you dearly, because it's getting market closed. I'll put this at 60%. I could make $3 more. I am very happy with that. I will set this like I set it in my bot, in the Quant App, sorry. Control C, Control V, because I will be away from the screen after I finish this. I will say goodbye and good night, or oh, I did something wrong. 64, 402, yeah, 60%, 64, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so used to. uh, I am a little bit embarrassed by doing that, because I always do this when I am in a winning streak, not in a losing streak. So yeah, where are my lines? I just set you guys. Oh, I didn't take it. I'll have to redo it. Always be sure that it is done if you're leaving your desk, because if it's not, it will bite you in the tushy. Oh, it's not doing it. Oh. Okay, it's doing it. So like I said, guys, a little bit below, because once it gets going and it marches over it, then yeah, you can't stop it. It will be a liquidation actually, and it will not keep this one as the first. It will just march over the liquidation one, and the exchange will make the choice for you, and they will market close it. So I have to say goodbye for now, and I'll keep you posted, guys, on how this trade went. Either it's $3 more. I could have taken it more before when I would have ended here, but I always like to give my trades some chance, some extra chance, and I am happy with a few dollars less if needed. See, now I have another chance with a lower, so I maybe could still get that $3 and gradually scale up. And once I scale up, I can use the same percentages, 1 2% or 5%, 10%, max 20% when I'm smart position sizing. But that's already a long time ago that I had to do that. I rather don't do a 20%. I keep it max at 5%. But gradually you will grow, and gradually this will increase your position size when you even do 1 or 2%. So keep that in mind, guys. I bid you farewell. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll hope I see you back for the next one. Bye.